Hi guys, it's Brookelynne and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be my review of this Olaplex No3 take home treatment. So if you don't know what Olaplex is, if you've been living under a rock, Olaplex is a bond repair and hair care system. Now they have several different products in their line. They have the salon treatment, which is number 1 and number 2. They have Zero, which is a primer that goes alongside number 3. Number 4 is a shampoo, number 5 is a conditioner, number 6 is a leave-in cream that has heat protectant and stuff in it. And then they have a purple shampoo, which is number 4p, I think it is. I'm not entirely sure. And they have the oil, I think that's number 7 or number 8. I don't know if I'm wrong, apologies for that. They do also have like deep conditioning one too. But I've done research on this because last time I got my hair done, I felt my hair felt a good bit more damaged than what it had been. Now, my hair's been bleached within an inch of its life because I've been going platinum blonde within the space of like 6 months, 6 months. And I've had a few different bleaches on it, but I do get high lift tint. But when I got done last time, I got it, instead of having it on just the roots, which I normally do, just the roots and nothing gets touched for the end or mid lengths, my hairdresser took it from the roots and then brought some of the product down to the ends and it made my hair feel like a bit drier. So I'm not trying to point the finger or blame, but I knew I needed to get a good repairing product just to keep my hair in good nick. And I done research and I knew about this product from years ago because I have used it before in the past. I did like it, but I never used it properly. People seem to think, and I thought it was too, a conditioner or a hair mask, but it's not. It's a pre-shampoo repair and treatment. So what you do is you dampen your hair, whether that's running some water in the shower, like dipping your head, putting your shower head over your hair to get it wet and then towel drying it, or using a spray bottle and dampening your hair that way. You can do both them things. And then you apply it a good amount, depends on how much you need. My hair is really thick and I've got a lot of it, so I had to use quite a bit of product to get my hair good coated with this. I needed a good amount just to get my hair nice and repaired, so that's why 2 treatments I've used half the bottle. I left it in the first time, an hour and a half second time because I fell asleep. I left it in for like 4 hours. But sure, the more the merrier. You can leave it in overnight if you wanted to really get that repair and treatment, but you're meant to leave it in at least 10 minutes. I would do even longer because you're getting more benefit out of it. And this retails for around £28, but I got it on Amazon for around 19, but obviously I had to pay like £5 shipping, so I got it for 24, so it's still a bit cheaper than full price. But if I got Prime with Amazon, I would get it like for the £19. But you do get, I think it's 100ml. Yeah, it's 100ml, and that's what the packaging looks like if you don't know what Olaplex is. And it basically is like a nice white cream. It's medium consistency. It isn't very runny, but it isn't very thick. It's like a good texture where you can work it through your hair, but it isn't like super runny where it's going to run out of your hands. So it's a decent lotiony type cream texture, which is nice. And what I did is I focused more on the areas like such as my platinum blonde parts. If you don't know, I have got some ginger underneath my hair, so I focused it more on the platinum parts, and then I did take some underneath from the ginger part to make it feel nice too, even though it didn't really need Olaplex, but I might as well reap the benefits out of it. And I basically like done one side first, this side, the back, and then any parts I felt needed a bit more extra, I kind of coated it, and then put my hair on a top knot bun, like a loose one, and left it for an hour and a half the first time and then 4 hours the second time. Rinsed out, used my good shampoo and hair mask, used my heat protectant, my leave-in sprays and leave-in conditioner, and hair oil. Blow dried my hair with my shark flex style, using the nozzle and then the round brush to give me more of a sleek blow dry look, and my hair just felt amazing. It didn't feel as dry. I noticed within the first treatment my hair just felt a world of difference, because when I got my hair done last time, I said before, it just felt a bit more damaged, and when I got this in my hair, it just felt a lot better. Now, what I was saying is, done research and I've watched a couple of videos on the Olaplex treatment, and this is actually the strongest out of the Olaplex. Now, I don't know if the number 1, number 2 are stronger than this, but I think, or the same strength, but out of all the stuff you can buy at home, this is actually the strongest, so it's recommended just buy this and not any other ones, because you need to buy like the whole kit. I will probably try to get the oil at some point, because, well, I don't need any hair oil at the minute. I have plenty, but if I ever run out of hair oil, I will buy the Olaplex hair oil, because I've heard that's really good. But for actual hardcore repair and bleached hair, or any type of damaged hair, whether that's heat styling, colouring, bleaching, whatnot, the Olaplex No3 is like the most intensive treatment to help your hair, and that's what's recommended, and I bought this one just. So what I plan to do when I do my hair next is only focus on my platinum blonde parts, especially the ends of my hair. My whole part of my platinum blonde hair, but like especially the ends where it has been that bit more drier and damaged, and not do the ginger parts, because I find if I've done the ginger parts it's wasting the product, because they aren't damaged really. It's more the platinum parts that need that bit of extra care, so that's what I'll be doing. I want to try to get at least 3 more use out of this bottle and not waste it all, because even though I got it on offer, I don't want to be using it just for 4 uses and it's gone. I want to try to get a bit more out of that if I can. So that's what I'll be doing. So I will go to the demo right now. So when I say this is for you, I would say if you've got especially bleach damaged hair and you're looking for a really decent repairing product that's going to repair your bonds, repair your hair from the inside out, definitely yes. And if you don't mind spending a bit extra on a good solid hair care product, then it's going to be for you. And if you can get Olaplex in the country, definitely. And if you like using hair like masks or hair treatments and you just love hair care, then get this, especially if you have damaged hair. And it's not going to be for you if you can't justify the price. Maybe try something cheaper or wait until you can get less on offer or save up for it. But if you can't, then try something a bit more affordable. It's not going to be for you if you don't really have damaged hair. There's no need for it. Like, it's only really meant for people who have damaged hair, i.e. bleached. It's not going to be for you if you can't get this in your country. Maybe try something similar that's in your country. It's not going to be for you if you're going to use this to expect it to be a conditioning product. It's not. It's a repairing product before you shampoo your hair. It's a pre-shampoo treatment. But if you want something that's conditioning but you need a damage repair, I would say still get this, but don't expect it to be conditioning. Get a decent leave-in, or leave-in one too. You need both. Get a decent hair mask as well, and use this first and then wash your hair and then use your hair mask, and then your hair will feel silky and soft and repaired. Mine did, and my hair just feels really silky and sleek and not as dry. I think you do need both to repair your hair. The hair mask is more to add moisture and hydration to your hair. This one is to repair the actual structure of your hair, the bonds. So getting this and like a decent hair mask, you don't have to spend too dear on it or too expensive. You can get one by Garnier called Honey Treasures, which is really good, or the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle. So if you spend the most on this product and get an affordable hair mask that's good, like the Aussie one or the one of the Garnier ones, you'll be flying, definitely. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you again for the next one. Stay gorgeous, God bless, bye.